Do you really want to watch me water the yard again? Probably not. I'd much rather show you a bunch of the outtakes of some of my clips over the last month or so. And I'm pretty sure you'd much rather watch those out clips. So that's what we're going to do. Morning, folks. Welcome back to the channel and day 5 of the daily vlogs. Oh, I did not do that. Run that thing into son of a bitch. This being a videographer is not easy shit. Gotta watch out for the sunlight. See, I needed the camera over on this side instead of that side. Hey, I'm learning. I'm still learning. What people don't realize is I'm going to edit out a whole bunch of this shit of me walking around. Let me show you how to do that. God damn, that thing's heavy. Oh man, you're not going to believe how I got this thing handled. This is what they call a crotch cam. Oh shit. How the hell am I going to get to? Oh, Jesus. No. Okay, run. I think I wanted 5 of these sons of bitches. Just can't skip. Hey, I'm doing this just to see what it would be like if I put an extra 90 pounds on my legs. It just means I can't skip. I got a little line message here from a friend of mine in Douglas, Wyoming. He goes, "Okay, asshole. You and your weather reports. Here's the temperature in Douglas right now, since you will report Ponca City and Casper. And it's 55 degrees below zero." Just thought I'd throw that out there. So, with all the snow you guys are getting, I'd be wearing stilts and keep the nuts warm. I would like to say thank you to all the people that have subscribed to the channel lately. It seems like I get spurts, and these daily vlogs are boosting my what are the rhythm deals that okay, yeah, the biorhythm or whatever it is that they decide. Honey, don't open that. Why? Because I'm taping right now. Oh, sorry. So, anyhow, hi folks. I've got a really interesting video today. It's about the East-West seed manufacturing supply, or manufacturing, whatever the heck, you know, East-West seed research supply. That's what it is. Let's start this fucker. Hi folks, got an interesting video for you tonight. The name of the company that I did this at is East-West Seed Research Supply. Fuck, what the hell is that? I need to go goddamn look it up again. Shit. Can't remember that damn name. Save my fucking soul. East-West Seed Research Station. East-West Research Station. God, how come I can't remember that? Got good music too. Hi folks, welcome back to the channel. Got an interesting video for you this evening. I went to the East-West Seed Research Station where they're having their annual display. Okay, GoPro, this time I'm gonna, you better not shut off on me. This time I'm gonna hold on to the damn thing and keep looking at it to make sure that it doesn't shut off on me. Or if it does, at least I goddamn know it, instead of keep talking for 2 minutes, 3 minutes. I had some really good jokes in there, and you just, I cannot bring that stuff back. Jesus. God. I want to sit back and say this is a fantastic and terrific camera for doing video blogs and putting it on YouTube. But Jesus Christ, if you just all of a sudden shut off and you're right in the middle of something that at my age I cannot remember that stuff again. There's no damn way. And I was talking about my golf game, which was, you know, my golf game sucks, but hey, you know, I cheat so I can shoot under 100. I'm just, I'm pissed. I'm so pissed that nah, I can't say that. I'm gonna have a sip of beer. It's a good thing. Leo beer really tastes good here in Thailand, and if you don't live here in Thailand, you do not. I was gonna say, you son of a bitch, if you shut off on me again, it puts this little figure up there. If you don't know, if you don't have Leo beer where you're at, you just don't know what you're missing. It goes down smooth. You don't get a headache from it. I don't get tipsy or anything like that because I only drink, you know, like 1 or 2, you know, in a whole day. And I only drink a couple of days a week. So anyhow, you know, I'm sure you all understand that. But this thing with the camera shutting off just got me really ticked off. That's about a week's worth. Not really, that's several months worth. No, I don't drink that damn much. See, I've only got 1 case sitting here. See? And part of a case in there. So, you know, by Saturday, I'm gonna probably have to go buy some more. Not really. I don't drink that much. I drink a lot more. Yeah. Hi folks, welcome back to the channel. Sorry it's been a few days since I had a video out, but I've been working on 2 or 3 different videos, and I'm still trying to get some footage for the other 2 right now. So this one here, I got the footage taken care of today, so I went ahead and finished that up. So now I'm doing the video, and I just want you to know, I have absolutely, I make no money whatsoever doing these videos, and I spend quite a bit of time actually getting the footage and then going ahead and editing it. And so I just want you to know that it does take a little effort and a little time. This is Chamanao. It's a Thai tea. You should try it if and when you're ever in Thailand. And I would hope that you guys would come to Thailand and spend some time here. You know, like maybe check out some of the exhibits and stuff that are around the Chiang Mai area, you know, and it's always nice if you want to go fishing, you know, go ahead and you know, do some fishing, because fishing's really good around here. Or, you know, if you want to do something else, like, you know, maybe go play golf or something like that. I like, oops. Back to fishing, back to golf. I like playing golf, but I'm not any good at it. I personally suck at the game, but anyhow, you all know I'm an Okie from the United States, so it's the name of my channel. But anyhow.